In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Canva. This process is simple and efficient, making it easy for anyone to dive in and start creating engaging content. Whether you're a teacher trying to create interactive lessons or just looking to add a fun element to your project, creating a quiz is a valuable skill. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the main dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to find the tab labeled Elements on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities. The Elements section is where you can find all sorts of design tools and features that Canva offers. After clicking on Elements, look for the option that says Polls and Quizzes. This specific feature will give you access to templates that are specially designed for creating quizzes and interactive polls. It's like having a pre-built framework to which you can add your personal touch. Browsing through these templates, you'll notice that Canva provides a variety of styles. Take your time to select one that aligns with the theme and tone of the quiz you have in mind. Once you've selected a template, the next step is to click on Edit. This is where the fun truly begins because it's your opportunity to customize the quiz. You can start by changing the header to fit the topic of your quiz or highlighting the main question you want to ask. For instance, if your quiz is on math basics, you might start with a question like, what is 2 plus 2? This helps set the stage for the content and engages your audience right away. Next, you'll want to add the quiz options. These are the possible answers that participants will choose from. Be sure to diversify these choices to capture different levels of understanding or to add a layer of challenge. The clearer and more engaging your options, the better the experience for your quiz takers. To finish up, look for 3 small dots somewhere near the quiz element you just customized. This is a crucial step. By clicking on these dots, you'll see an option labeled Mark as Correct. Use this to designate which answer is the correct one. It's an essential feature because it's what turns your set of questions into a functional quiz. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just created a simple interactive quiz on Canva. This tool is not only intuitive, but also adaptable for various uses, from educational purposes to entertainment. So go on and share your quiz with others to make learning more interactive and fun. Thank you for watching and happy designing.